Day 151, Captain and Kenny. We got Captain Gloria driving the boat today. And yesterday, video was awesome. So much great feedback from that video. Thank you to Stu. About came to tears when he wrote me in an email, and so many others made really awesome comments below that video. Thank you very much. So yesterday when that video was live, one of our daily members that checks in said, "Hey Kenny, I'm at a flight school, only got a few hours. We had an overspeed, or another instructor and student had an overspeed, and he was upset because he said, well, why does that happen, and now we can't fly." And I basically said, hey, I'll do a quick video for you, but that's a part of it, okay? Nobody intentionally wants to do an overspeed, and instructors are doing their best to not overspeed the aircraft, and they're going to teach you your best not to overspeed the aircraft. But occasionally it happens, and it's going to happen by mistake. And when it happens, you need to report it, and then that gives the mechanics a chance to look at it and make sure everything's okay. Depending on make and model, it could be, you know, there's going to be different maintenance that may need to be performed. So the important thing is that you fess up when you have an overspeed. You tell the mechanic how far you went over, how long you went over, what were you doing when you went over. Things are going to happen sometimes. People aren't purposely going out and overspeeding, but you're going to need to know for the make and model what your limitations are. If you go over a limitation, you do have an overspeed. Again, it needs to be reported to the mechanic. And I understand if you're frustrated at your flight school because you can't fly because you're down for maintenance, well, they're doing that to keep you safe. Just the way it's got to be. So hey, we're getting ready to head out on the lake, and it's going to be windy out there, and I know the mic on this is not going to be good, so we're going to wrap this up. Day 151, Captain and Kenny. Hell yeah. Subscribe. Okay, subscribe, click the bell, and we got to show the dog. Oh, come on, up here for the camera. There you go. Give it a big lick. All right. See you in day 152. Like, subscribe, comment down below, and we'll see you tomorrow. Peace out.